Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by turning your Toyota Camry's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. This ensures the electrical system is active. Next, confirm that your multi-information display shows the odometer reading. If a different display is active, simply press the DISP button on your steering wheel until the odometer appears. This is a crucial first step to access the reset function. Now, turn the ignition completely off. With the ignition off, locate and press the trip meter reset button, usually found near your instrument cluster. Keep this button pressed firmly. While still holding the trip meter button, turn the ignition back to the on position. Do not release the button yet, as this action initiates the reset sequence. As you continue to hold the trip meter reset button, you will observe the maintenance light flashing on your dashboard. Keep holding it until the multi-information display shows 000000 or Reset Complete. This visual confirmation indicates the reset is successful. Once this message appears, you can release the trip meter reset button. The process is almost done. Finally, start your Toyota Camry's engine to verify that the maintenance required light is no longer illuminated. If the light remains on, simply repeat the entire procedure from the beginning. This straightforward method is effective for resetting the maintenance light on many Toyota Camry models, ensuring your vehicle's system is updated.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.